Hey, here I'm going to show you a real quick trick. If this tub is full of water, you don't have to get a shop vac. You just get those needle nose pliers again, and you get them so they're tight. Just get them in here. Make sure they're sealed. There we go. Just like that. Voila. Let's run it, see what she does. It's always fun when your hands are all soapy. Well, put some toilet paper in. We're going to go home for the night. So we got the top loader fixed. I fixed a 20-pounder. I cleaned. Looks a lot better. If you like this kind of content and you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell for notification. Like always, take it easy, be safe. See you next time.